Welcome to CarSceneKorea. I introduced newly released Genesis, Hyundai, and Kia cars. And you guys are probably thinking and wondering where I am. Not an ocean, it's a river. It's actually Han River here in Korea's Seoul. Tonight, I am actually here for Hyundai Santa Fe. 2024 all-new Santa Fe. It's already been my third, if not fourth time meeting this car in person. But once again, I just couldn't afford to miss out this opportunity to come check out the all-new Santa Fe. Well, because for starter, it's got the beautiful colors, pebble blue pearl, the color that we saw. My personal favorite, which is the earthy brass metallic matte. And we are seeing this car in the evening, but we have checked it out during the daytime under a broad sunlight. But this color also shines bright and looks so good. And that is the reason why I pulled out my camera real quick, just to show you what it feels like and what it looks like. Enough of my face, let me show you this car. This is one heck of an experience that Hyundai brought us here tonight. Just look at this. There are Santa Fe cars on top of, I don't know what I should call this, but this is a ship. Oh, I get it now. So you see, there are tiny boats that are actually guiding this, pushing it around. There's another boat coming in. So this is the earthy brass metallic matte. It looks different depending on which angle you look at it from, and also how much lighting you get. And this color right here is pebble blue pearl. And I never thought that this color would also look great on a full-size, large-size SUV like the Santa Fe. Last but not least, just look at this. I don't believe what's happening right here. I am on a boat reviewing a car. I am on a boat. Last but not least, this is the creamy white pearl Santa Fe experience. Today's video, I also have measured the sizes inside of the trunk, the rows folded, so feel free to go check it out. 자, 136cm, 136cm, 그리고 시트 앞에까지 당기면 117cm, 117cm가 나옵니다. 그리고 기다리신 2,3열을 이렇게 접으면 여기까지 186cm.
오, 내 키보다 커.
네, 186cm가 나오면서 제일 깊은 데 기준으로 얼추 35cm? 35cm 정도가 나오고요. 제일 깊은 거 기준. 여기 침대를 만들면 그냥 완전 진짜 편안한 시트가 되는 거죠. 2cm, 42.5? 42.5 정도가 나오네요. Again, this is the creamy white pearl with the white tone inside. This is my personal favorite interior by far. Just looks absolutely amazing. And the spacious second row seat. And it comes with a 2+2+2 configuration, this model. So this is a 6-seater. So that being said, the Santa Fe comes in 5 and 6 and 7 seat configuration. This is truly the ultimate family SUV from Hyundai. I am getting off the boat now, but I will be heading over there where there are 3 more Santa Fe's, I believe, currently up on the display, and I'll show you extra more colors over there as well. So let's go. Despite the times I have reviewed this car, I've been missing this out. So let's go. So this is the auto. So obviously lights on, everything off, headlights on, automatic. No headlights, headlights again. Turn signal left, turn signal right, and high beam. High beam. Hazard light with the lights off. And let me also show you the tail light as well. It's looking great, huh? Although this is not a seamless horizon lamp, uniquely Hyundai, H standing right here. Although there is still Palisade in Hyundai family, this car, I mean, I really am curious as to what Santa Fe would look like and compare when this car is up against the palisade. And the reason why I pull out the camera real quick is to give you the real life, real world estimation and back-to-back comparison of the two largest SUV from Hyundai look like in person. This is the rear of Santa Fe, as you can see, and just look how tall this car is. I am 176 centimeters tall, boosted a little bit here. Just you can imagine and see and tell how large and big this car is. Love the touch that this lights up. When you have the trunks up, the car is alerting onto the oncoming traffic that there is a vehicle up ahead. So right over there, you see the license plates now work as the alarm and alert. Fully automated, easily open up and close the trunk just like this, and the H lights comes back up when the trunk closes. I want to show you the trunk operation just one more time. Curious if we will be able to see, and yes we can. So that's exactly what I was referring to. They come on. Even the license plates now work as extra, alerting the traffic behind that there is a car up on the front, and that's how tall the trunk is. Let's test out the rear lights as well. Foot brake, off, on and off. Headlights on and off. Everything off, and the hazard light with everything off like that. Brakes off, brakes, lights on, brakes, just like that. And this is the left turn and the right turn. When I actually close the trunk using that button right there, there's no one on the back. Look at this. There we go. So that is the rear view through the camera that we have on the rear, and that is the digital center mirror. What that allows is that it's not just a fancy technology, but when you have your trunk completely loaded up, your view is all obstructed, but you can have a clear view. Just look at that. Day and night, just like this, looking through the digital center mirror. So that is the regular mirror versus pull up and pull down the view just like that. So that versus a regular mirror. 그래서 뭐 저 혼자 있으면 엄청 편하지만 두 명이 들어와서도 앉아서 있기에도 뭐 전혀 무리가 없고. 어때, 편안한가요?
오, 출발한다.
간다. 와, 그냥 돌고 있어 지금. 절대 작은 트렁크는 아니다. 한번 일어서 보실래요? 힐이 한 5cm는 되시겠죠, 최소? 네, 그러면 지금 180이 넘는데 그냥 거기 서서 뭐 비를 피하거나 밖에서 이제 쉘터, 방금처럼 그냥 타고 내리는데도 지장이 없고,